Hello everyone and welcome to Red and Kitchen. Today I will introduce a quick, simple and economic recipe. Herring with zucchini, macerated onions and a tofu cream. So, starting from the fish. It's preserved in salt, ready to use. It does not require any effort, and just we cut it according to the shape we want. Then we will get a rectangular shape from our zucchini, and I use it for some reasons. I try to put vegetables on my recipes because I want a complete meal and because we play with the sweetness of this zucchini and the saltness of our fish. But then we need to add something crunchy, and for this reason we will make macerated onions, and also because is one of the best match, believe me, onions and this kind of fish, and something to connect all these ingredients. The tofu cream, it's nice because thanks to its neutral flavor we can play on that and create the flavor we want to contrast better all these ingredients. For instance, adding blueberries, a bit of freshness, Thain and black pepper. So we have everything. Let's go. Yes, extract. We can use just a bit here, and then we will use also for our tofu cream. Chili, ginger, lemon peel as well. So now let's prepare our tofu cream. So we take our ingredients and put our tofu, color, sweetness and a bit of acidity, a bit of lemon peel, salt, squeeze just a bit, or ginger. So let's try it. I feel almost all ingredients, and let's add a bit of aroma. Black pepper, put it inside. Ginger, yes. Water, okay. Super. Here. And then all the fresh aroma. Let's take our zucchini then we remove and remove this part. Ooh la la, and pan. Turn it. Let's add a bit of salt. Pepper. Let's twist to the other side. Now I take the fish. One and two. So we got our fillets of herring. That's it. Let's put our cream. Now we had zucchini, our fish, and our onions. Okay guys, now we have to test what we did. Use big knife. So let's cut a bit of fish, zucchini, so we had a bit of cream and a bit of onion, and let's taste it. Perfect balance. I feel now spice of the chili on the sauce, crunchiness and acidity of the onion, zucchini, sweet, and the cream. Let's try it some guys. The lemon, oh, perfect. So I hope you like this video, and here you can see the link, and if you like this video, put a like, and guys, thanks for watching, and let's see to the next video. Ciao.